Crikey! Get ready to meet the platypus! This Aussie animal is a real head-scratcher. It's like Mother Nature threw a bunch of animal parts together and said, let's see what happens! With its duck-like bill, beaver-like tail, and otter-like feet, the platypus is one strange-looking critter. But don't let its looks fool you, this animal is truly amazing. Living in the rivers and streams of eastern Australia, the platypus is a true survivor. It's one of only 5 mammal species that lay eggs, and it's got a whole bunch of other tricks up its sleeve, or should I say, under its fur. So come on, let's dive into the wacky world of the platypus. We'll explore its unique features, its watery home, and the challenges it faces. Get ready for an adventure because this is one animal that's sure to surprise you. The platypus is like a jigsaw puzzle gone wrong, but in the best way possible. Imagine an animal that looks like it was assembled from spare parts of other creatures. This fascinating mammal is a true testament to the creativity of nature. With its unique blend of features, the platypus stands out as one of the most peculiar and intriguing animals on the planet. Its bill is soft and rubbery, not hard like a duck's. This bill is not just for show, it's a highly specialized tool. The platypus uses it to detect electrical signals emitted by its prey, such as small fish, insects, and crustaceans. This ability, known as electroreception, is rare among mammals, and gives the platypus a significant advantage in hunting. This super-sensitive nose helps the platypus find food in the murky water. Talk about a sixth sense. The bill is equipped with thousands of receptors that can pick up the faintest of movements and electrical impulses, making it an incredibly efficient hunter even in the darkest and murkiest of waters. And check out those webbed feet. They're perfect for paddling through the water like having built-in flippers. These webbed feet make the platypus an excellent swimmer, allowing it to glide effortlessly through its aquatic environment. The webbing can spread wide for maximum propulsion or retract when the platypus needs to maneuver with precision. But wait, there's more. On land, the webbing retracts, revealing sharp claws for digging burrows. These claws are not just for show, they are powerful tools that the platypus uses to dig extensive burrow systems along riverbanks. These burrows provide shelter and a safe place to raise their young, showcasing the platypus's adaptability to both aquatic and terrestrial environments. This animal is a master of both worlds. Its ability to transition seamlessly between water and land is a testament to its evolutionary success. Whether it's swimming gracefully in the water or walking with purpose on land, the platypus is perfectly adapted to thrive in both environments. But the craziness doesn't stop there. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs. These spurs are not just for decoration, they are a formidable defense mechanism. During the breeding season, males use these spurs to assert dominance and fend off rivals, delivering a venomous sting that can cause severe pain and swelling. It's like something out of a comic book. These spurs deliver a powerful sting, enough to knock a grown man down. Talk about a hidden weapon. The venom contains proteins that can cause intense pain and even temporary paralysis, making the platypus a surprisingly formidable opponent despite its small size. The platypus is a true marvel of evolution. Its bizarre combination of features helps it thrive in its watery home. From its electroreceptive bill to its webbed feet and venomous spurs, every aspect of the platypus is perfectly designed for survival in its unique habitat. It's a reminder that nature is full of surprises, and sometimes the strangest creatures are the most fascinating. The platypus is a living example of how diverse and unexpected the natural world can be, inspiring us to look closer and appreciate the wonders of evolution. Picture this: crystal clear rivers, lush vegetation, and towering eucalyptus trees. This is the platypus's domain. These Aussie icons call the freshwater rivers and streams of eastern Australia home sweet home. From the chilly waters of Tasmania to the tropical rainforests of Queensland, platypuses have adapted to a variety of habitats. They prefer slow-moving water with plenty of hiding spots like logs, rocks, and overhanging banks. It's like their own underwater playground. But these watery havens aren't always peaceful. Platypuses share their homes with eels, water rats, and even crocodiles. Talk about living on the edge. But don't worry, the platypus has a few tricks up its sleeve to stay safe. Its dense fur keeps it warm in cold water, and its webbed feet make it a powerful swimmer. The platypus is a true survivor, perfectly adapted to its watery world. Section 4. Grubbin' with the platypus. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the platypus, one of nature's most unique and intriguing creatures. These semi-aquatic mammals are native to eastern Australia, including Tasmania. and are known for their distinctive appearance and unusual feeding habits. What's on the menu for a platypus, you ask? Well, these little guys are what you call carnivores. But don't let that term conjure up images of fierce predators. The platypus is a gentle hunter, focusing on small, aquatic prey. These fascinating creatures primarily feed on invertebrates. Their diet includes a variety of insects, worms, shrimp, and yabbies, which are small freshwater crayfish. They spend a significant amount of time each day foraging for these tasty morsels. Don't let that scare you, they're not chasing kangaroos. Instead, they are expert foragers, using their unique adaptations to locate and capture their prey. Their diet consists of tasty invertebrates like insects, worms, shrimp, and yabbies. These small creatures provide the necessary nutrients for the platypus to thrive in its natural habitat. The platypus has a clever way of finding its food. Remember that super sensitive bill? It's not just for show. This bill is equipped with electroreceptors that can detect the tiny electrical impulses given off by their prey. It's covered with electroreceptors that can detect the tiny electrical impulses given off by their prey. This remarkable adaptation allows the platypus to hunt effectively, even in murky waters where visibility is low. It's like they have built-in metal detectors for food. This ability to sense electrical signals is crucial for their survival, as it helps them locate prey hidden in the riverbed. Once they locate a tasty morsel, they scoop it up with their bill, along with some gravel and mud. This mixture is then stored in their cheek pouches until they reach the surface. This mixture gets stored in their cheek pouches until they reach the surface. These cheek pouches are quite handy, allowing the platypus to carry its food while it continues to forage. Then, they use their strong jaws to grind up their meal. The platypus doesn't have teeth, so it relies on the rough surfaces inside its mouth to break down the food. No cutlery needed for this, Aussie. Their efficient feeding process ensures they get the most out of their meals. The platypus is a true eating machine, spending up to 12 hours a day searching for food. This constant foraging is necessary to meet their high energy demands. It's a good thing they have such a unique way of finding their meals, otherwise they'd be hungry little critters. The platypus's specialized feeding habits and adaptations make it one of the most interesting animals in the animal kingdom. Section 5. The platypus family, eggs and milk. Here's where things get even weirder and more wonderful with the platypus. This fascinating creature, already known for its duck-like bill, webbed feet, and beaver-like tail, has another surprise up its sleeve. The platypus is a mammal, but it defies many of the typical characteristics we associate with mammals. They are one of only 5 mammal species on Earth that lay eggs. This small group of egg-laying mammals is known as monotremes, and it includes the platypus and 4 species of echidnas. The fact that these creatures lay eggs is a throwback to a more ancient lineage of mammals, providing a living glimpse into the evolutionary past. You heard that right, eggs? Unlike the hard-shelled eggs of birds, platypus eggs are leathery and more similar to those of reptiles. This unique trait is just one of the many ways the platypus bridges the gap between different classes of animals. The female platypus digs a special burrow with a nesting chamber. This burrow can be quite elaborate, sometimes extending up to 30 meters in length. The nesting chamber is carefully constructed to provide a safe and secure environment for the eggs, and later, the hatchlings. There she lays 1 to 3 leathery eggs, about the size of marbles. These eggs are incubated by the warmth of the mother's body, as she curls around them to keep them at a constant temperature. This period of incubation lasts for about 10 days, during which the mother rarely leaves the burrow. She keeps these precious eggs warm by curling her body around them for about 10 days. This close contact is crucial for the development of the embryos inside the eggs. The mother's body heat ensures that the eggs remain at the optimal temperature for hatching. Then, the tiny jelly bean-sized babies hatch. These newborns are incredibly small and vulnerable, measuring just about 1.25 centimeters in length. They are completely dependent on their mother for warmth, protection, and nourishment. They are blind and hairless, relying entirely on their mother's care. But wait, there's more. Remember, platypuses are mammals. This means that, like all mammals, they produce milk to feed their young. However, the way they do this is quite unique. So, how do they feed their young without nipples? Unlike most mammals, the platypus does not have teats. Instead, the milk is secreted through specialized mammary gland ducts and absorbed through the skin. The answer is specialized milk patches. These patches are areas of skin where the milk oozes out and the babies lap it up directly from the mother's skin. This method of feeding is highly effective and ensures that the young receive all the nutrients they need to grow and develop. The mother sweats milk from these patches, and the babies lap it up. This process might seem unusual, but it works perfectly for the platypus. The milk is rich in nutrients and antibodies, providing the young with everything they need to thrive in their early stages of life. Talk about a unique way to get your daily dose of calcium. The platypus's method of feeding its young is just one more example of how this incredible animal has adapted to its environment in ways that are both surprising and fascinating. The platypus family is a testament to the diversity of life on Earth. Their unique characteristics and behaviors highlight the incredible adaptability and resilience of life. From their egg-laying to their milk patches, every aspect of their biology is a marvel of evolution. They break all the rules, proving that sometimes the most unusual methods are the most successful. The platypus is a living reminder that nature is full of surprises and that the diversity of life is something to be celebrated and cherished.